Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering everything. Charge the case and earbuds until the indicator shows a steady light. Once done, make sure Bluetooth on your phone is turned on and visible. Open the Skullcandy case to wake the earbuds and press the small pairing button for about 3 to 5 seconds. The LED will flash to indicate pairing mode. You should see the model name appear in your device's Bluetooth list. Tap it to pair. This sequence gets both devices talking. It prevents repeated failed connections. You now refine how the earbuds behave. Open the Skullcandy app or your device audio settings to set EQ presets and volume limits. This optimizes sound for your ears and content. Once paired, learn the control patterns. Single tap to play /pause, double tap to skip, and press and hold for voice assistant or track back. Practice until muscle memory forms. Also enable auto pause or in-ear detection if supported. Because it saves battery and avoids missed audio, you finish by placing the earbuds back in the case to confirm they charge and power off automatically. That conserves battery and prevents false connections. If one bud won't connect, reset them. Hold the pairing button for 10 seconds until LEDs blink, forget the device on your phone, then repair. If audio stutters, make sure firmware is current via the app and reduce wireless interference by moving away from crowded 2.4 GHz sources. This last step resolves most stubborn issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.